restoration. Here we have a Mark 6 Bentley steering wheel. As you can see, all the plastic has fallen off, and it's got a bit of corrosion in the rim as well on this one, and the aluminium's quite corroded on the spokes. We can clean all this off and we can reclad the steering wheel like this one. This one came in a similar sort of state with plastic missing, and we cleaned it all up, and we've put a new plastic moulding on, complete with the finger grips on the inner edge there, and all the facets of an original Mark 6 Bentley steering wheel. That's a Mark 6 or Rolls-Royce Bentley steering wheel of the late 40s through to the 1960s.